Good morning and welcome to Morning Markets. Today we're going to focusing on economic data, specifically business survey data from businesses in manufacturing and services. On Friday, we had business survey data from services and manufacturing from the UK, Europe and the US. Really important for investors to focus on this survey as it helps give an assessment of broad economic health. When we look at the details at a headline level, what we're continuing to see is that the tailwind to services from pent-up demand following the pandemic continues to ease. On the manufacturing side, we're seeing stability, but we're seeing no re-acceleration in overall activity. The US continues to fare better relative to the UK and relative to Europe, but is seeing broad stagnation across activity in both services and manufacturing. When we look at the labour market in the US, the details show that the labour market continues to be healthy. Companies are still able to fill job vacancies and retain workers. On the inflation front, what we're seeing is inflation is still a problem, but input prices for companies are starting to rise. The challenge is with demand softening, their ability to pass on those higher prices to the consumer is being more challenged. And the risk is that will hit corporate profitability in the future. The UK data was really noteworthy. When we look at services side, we saw a noticeable drop in activity, almost to a 3-year low, with higher levels of uncertainty, higher interest rates, and just a squeeze on non-essential spending, all reducing demand. The employment sector or employment component for the UK was also a standout, seeing noticeable drop in workers in both manufacturing and services. And as companies are challenged by their finances, and in order to protect margins, they're beginning to cut workers. Problem for workers, but in terms of the overall health of the UK economy and looking at the inflation challenge, a pickup in unemployment should help to bring down wage growth and also help bring down inflation back to the 2% level. That's everything from us today. Thank you for watching and we'll see you tomorrow.